All right, it's Boombox time. Finally showed up this week, and I usually do my breaks on Fridays. So here we go. Johnny here, and hockey break number 2. I am really excited about this. I've watched some other YouTubers opening this product, and it seems like it's got some pretty neat value, pretty neat stuff. Um, and so I wanted to try it out for myself, for my channel, my young and upcoming channel. So here we go, Boombox April edition, and the packing peanuts ready to go. Oh, before I get into this, I just want to show off a few of my young guns. I've got Dominic Kubalik, and I've got Nick Suzuki, and over here is the young gun canvas that I pulled from the last break I did. Was 1920 series 1 hobby box. So anyway, UP, should we open up some cards? I think so. Here we go. Boombox April. Now, I've seen a lot of guys opening these, pulling out all the peanuts, pulling out all the packs, looking at the list and stuff, and reorganizing everything. I want to just pull a pack out, open it, and keep going from there. So here we go. Without reorganizing or anything, we're going to start at the top. Number 1. Okay. 2018-19 SPA. I haven't opened up a pack of SPA since the 0506 set. And no, I did not get a Crosby or an Ovechkin, but I got some good cards. It was fun. So here we go. 1819 SPA. What are we going to get? So that card is a Colton Parayko. Oh, look at that. Max Domi right off the bat. I like that. Max Domi. Very nice. And then we've got a Philip Forsberg after that. Now I think I'm just going to pull this one out. Colton Parayko. Is there another one back here? Leon Draisaitl. Now, I wonder if we are getting something here. Philip Forsberg, and we've got a sign of the times. Who is it? Braden Shan. Stanley Cup winner, Braden Shan, sign of the times. Beautiful card. That is a really nice way to start off the Boombox. Okay, let's get that into a sleeve right away, and like that super thick decoy. I like that. They were not that thick when I was opening cards 15 years ago. Right into a sleeve. Nice card. Nice, kind of scribbly autograph, but that's okay. Braden Shan. He's actually from the province that I'm in. So that's pretty cool. Awesome. All right, next pack up. So that was pretty good. Nice auto. And we are going with the Allure Hobby. I have not opened any Allure yet. I've seen a lot of it opened. I know a lot of the details about them. And I'm sure most of everybody that is watching has seen some Allure as well, if not opened it for themselves. I'm just going to struggle with the pack here, because that's what I like to do. Struggle with packs. Holy moly. Bear with me. I just don't want to wreck anything. There we go. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Not sure what the heck I'm going to get. Okay. Looks like we got a die cut in there. So we've got a Colton Parayko. Start us off. Moving into a Matt Murray. After that, we've got a Victor Olofsson rookie. Nice Victor Olofsson. And a white rainbow Connor Hellebuck. Nice card. I like these. Allure. Very nice. should get that sleeved. Phil Kessel and Jake Gensel. Awesome. I'll just throw this white rainbow in a quick sleeve here. Cool. All right, that was Allure. Next pack up is 1718 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. 4 cards in this pack, I believe. I've seen a bit of this open as well. And I know 1920 just released this week, and I'm hoping to get some of that soon here. Show off what I can pull. Always nice to see what everybody else gets. So, look at that. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Brandon Saad. A Ryan Hartman. And there is a Nikolai Ehlers on-card auto. 1718. So that's my second auto in this box. That's pretty fun. And back here we have a, oh, there we go, Devin Dubnyk, base. Set him down, sleeve this up. Now this Ehlers is Red Rainbow auto. Auto number 2. Can't complain about that. What's next? Here we go. 1617, Series 1. We all know what we're looking for in this set. Mr. Matthews. That's the big one. There's a few others that I'd be happy with as well. I don't have any of this set. Just started collecting again. So I'm going to have to catch up. Henrik Zetterberg. Eric Johnson. Well, kind of revealed what we might get here, but that's okay. That's okay. Andre Palat. What do we got? We got a Shining Stars. Shining Stars, Daniel Sedin. All right. Jeff Skinner. I'm trying to work on centering here. Sorry, guys. And Andre Sekera. There we go. Now we can see the name. Ryan Getzlaff. And Nathan Beaulieu. All right. So that was 1617 Series 1. Now, second last pack, I think. And okay. 1819. Upper Deck, Series 1. Hobby. I think these are all hobby packs. Stephen Johns on the back. Trying not to reveal what we may or may not get. Martin Jones. Charlie McAvoy. I like this. I like this style of card better than the year before, I think. I like that. Oh, we got a checklist. Fleury and Hellebuck. And there it is. Trevor Murphy, Young Guns. So we got a Young Guns. And then we got Abdelkader. Daly. Myers. Oh, and Stephen Johns. So there's that. Trevor Murphy. Yeah. Another. Not sure about him, honestly. But that's okay. Never hurts to have Young Guns. And I believe this is the last, but certainly not least. Big chase. Big chase. Everyone wants what this pack can deliver. Let's see how I do. Come on, UP. Help me out here, buddy. All right. We have got Gino Malkin, Bobby Lou, David Perron, Henrik Samuelsson, Young Guns, Mark Streit, Alexei Emelin, Teddy Purcell, and Yuri Hoodler. So, no McJesus, but that's okay. Henrik Samuelsson, you play hockey. That's about all I know. All right, so let's look at those hits again. So we got Samuelsson. We got Trevor Murphy, Young Guns. We got this really nice on-card auto of Nikolai Ehlers, OPG Platinum, 1718. And then we've got the 1920 Allure, White Rainbow, Connor Hellebuck, another Jet. And from the, what is that, 1819 SPA? Where's that pack? Oh, geez. There he is. Yeah, 1819. SPA, Sign of the Times, Braden Shen. So not awful. Couple autos, couple rookies. Can't complain. Got a one-touch. And then, of course, there's that list. I wanted to just do it a little differently. So we got everything that was advertised. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoy, and stay tuned, subscribe, and like the video, leave me a comment, let me know, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.